I don't know you, but that's the best paella ever. Unbelievable, guys. You don't wanna eat it? Yes, you do. And those two are the game changers. Same brand, Mama Sita Professional Edition Paella Spicy Mix and Mama Sita Annato. Without that, it's not the same. I'm a professional, what to do?
Palm trees sway to the congas beat. Every soul's alive, no room for defeat. The rhythm's calling louder and clear. Feel the fire, the music's near.
What the Filipino call it paella is in Spanish a mixed paella because they have the paella valenciana based on rabbit, broad beans, that means no fish at all. After you have the seafood and after you have the mixta. But what are the differences? Spanish paella is going to a savory side and the Filipino, of course, wheat, as usual. In terms of rice, the Spanish use two varieties of the bomba or the calasparra round grain. The Filipino, of course, use their local variety, that means malaguita or glutinoso sticky rice. Of course, the Spanish highlight olive oil, saffron, smoked paprika, and the Filipino one is more pronounced in seasoning, that means having garlic, onion, sometimes fish sauce, annato. Hallmark of the Spanish paella is the socarrat, this tiny layer of caramelized rice, extremely important. The Filipino one focus mainly in the abundance of the toppings. In terms of the origin, the Spanish paella born in Valencia, the Filipino version was developed during the Spanish colonial, using of course local ingredient and adapt the Spanish technique. And that's it, guys. In the two versions, it's all about the foundation. One is the basic, what the Spanish call sofrito, this beautiful combination of onion, garlic and bell pepper, slowly sauteed till tender in order to release all the flavor and get this beautiful aroma. For the rice, very important, every 1 cup of rice, 3.5 cup of stock. Question is, in the paella you combine everything together till the stock is reduced. That means if it's too much, will overcook. If it's too less, will be too much al dente. Remember to don't move your rice. It's the most important things in the paella because you will affect the consistency of the grain and everything will become a papa. For our stock, remember to maximize your flavor. That means I will use the leftover vegetable, onion, garlic, bell pepper, but increase it with part of our beautiful fish. That means I put everything together in my pressure cooker and let it go 20 minutes. For the right measurement, I will put everything in the comment box below. And after, I have a secret. First, the annato, you can use turmeric, but Filipino love annato, and this Mama Sita brand one, it's unbelievable. Not yet in the market in this version, the spicy mix for paella, that is the game changer, guy. Of course, I will use part directly in the sofrito, part in our stock. Due to the fact it's a mixed paella, I will use even some of the chicken on it. For the chicken, I bought chicken thigh, 200 grams of this baby. I will use a little bit of chorizo, this is beef chorizo. For the seafood, do what you want. I will use shrimp, 200 grams as well. I peel them, the rest we will use it for the stock. Calamari, you can buy the ring, you can buy the whole, but after we will cut it in small cube. 100 grams, if you want more, do what you want. I will use a mixed seafood. I asked to my fisherman to give me a mix. More convenience is including mussel, calamari, octopus, crabs, everything. Fresh clams, of course, and mussel. In this case, our green mussel, you can use whatever you want. We can put it at the end. That means clams, shrimp, mix of seafood, everything you have. Instead of the saffron, we will use annatto. This is from Mama Sita brand. Unbelievable one, super powerful, and for the color. Oil, of course, and of course, part of our secret ingredient. Paella is layered flavor. That means we start searing all our chicken, seafood, and reserve. We don't want to overcook, but this is gonna be the base of flavor for our sofrito. For the sofrito, we need garlic. I will use half cup or 6 garlic cloves. Onion, of course, I will use 1 cup. Bell pepper, we chop it again. I use half cup, plus we cut some stripe for the decoration. I will use a little bit of chorizo. This is beef chorizo. And that's it, guys.
We're the fire, we're the sun. Fiesta en el corazón. Life's a party, it's begun.
For the right measurement, I will comment below. The accessory, I will use my measuring cup, the paella pen, and of course, if you don't want to spend 3 hours doing your stock, I suggest you a pressure cooker, 20 minutes and done. Everything is coming from Amazon. I will put the link in bio. At this point, of course, we go in with our stock. 3 cup and half. When it's boiling, trying to test if our sofrito have enough salt. Need to be slightly salty because the rice will absorb. It's unbelievable. I remember the Mama Sita one give you an extra seasoning that you cannot get it. It's impressed. The chicken, the seafood, the Mama Sita mix, the chorizo. Unbelievable flavor. Time for the rice. The rice, we need to put it, we slow the fire a little bit, and we need to sprinkle it all over. Need to be 1 layer of rice actually. In this case will be a little bit more. But you have that, giving a small shake. I will put my seafood, especially the calamari. The chicken, we will put it halfway. And we let him go. Paella will take at least 20 minutes, so don't rush please. For our topping of finishing touch, boiled eggs, I just boil it 8 minutes. Green peas, we will put it at the end, how much you want. Lemon, we will slice wedge on top. After that we need to cover. In Spain they cover with an old newspaper to absorb the rest of the juice. At home you can use a little bit of aluminum foil or cover it with a towel. Kitchen towel will help a lot. Remember what we said about layering flavor. That is the most important of our paella. And that's it. Ready for the final decoration. That means our lemon wedge. The eggs that in the Filipino paella you cannot miss. A sprinkle of fresh parsley and time to enjoy. I don't know you, but that's the best paella ever. And of course, the Mama Sita mix make the difference. Look at that, look this color. Unbelievable, guys. A little bit of lemon on top. Yeah, Spanish style. And look at that. Nice, juicy, extremely flavorful. The annatto, the chorizo, the Mama Sita mix, all the seafood. Unbelievable one. Make that the best Filipino paella ever. I'm a professional. What to do, guys? You don't wanna eat it? Yes, you do, guys. Enjoy. See you next. Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe!